Today we're going to learn about ScreenHits TV. ScreenHits TV is a service that pulls together a number of different streaming video services so that you can enjoy them on your PCM, or if you have optionally equipped, the passenger screen. Now let's set up ScreenHits TV. Select the video icon to go to your next step. Just touch here in the middle of the screen. Now we have login information. It's suggested to not show again unless you want to log in each time you get into your vehicle. Select Yes. Here you'll see a QR code pop up. Take your mobile device and select the camera app. Hold it over the QR code and select the link down there at the bottom. You'll enter your email and password. And we're going to go ahead and select the test account here so that we can log in and see the possibilities for the streaming services. So now that we're in ScreenHits TV, you can see a wide variety of different streaming services that are possible for you to log in. Just to show you the login process for one of the streaming services, we'll choose Disney+. Select the icon of the service you're trying to log into. It gives you the opportunity to get a subscription if you don't already have one, but we have one. So we're going to select Login. I'm going to put my login information for Disney+. And my Disney+ password. Now that you're logged in, you can enjoy that particular streaming service. You can now stream your favorite movies and shows using ScreenHits TV in your new Panamera.